Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we can going to discuss about the product analysis of the neutral point voltage cell balance mechanism in the 3-level full bridge DC to DC converter by introduction of plain capacitors. Now we can going to discuss about the abstract of a product. This In this product we can implement us for the 3-level full bridge DC to DC converter. The 3-level full bridge DC to DC converter is one of the application using for high voltage and high power applications. Some lot of application we can using the high voltage and high power applications, and we can the simulation is one of the prototype modeling of these specific structures, and these structures are using for 8 switches and 8 diode plotting diodes again components, and 2 capacitor banks we can using that. The capacitors are using for specifically using the flyback capacitor. The flyback capacitors are one of the advantages process because it's automatically charging and discharging of this entire charging characteristics. So this is a different modes of operation is implemented for this specific prototype modeling, and this is an automatically self-balancing system of this prototype model. Sometimes we can voltage corruption and voltage power factor will also declare that a specific expression we can analysis that entire system, and we can some self-balance system to reactive power is a very majorly improvement, and current characteristics also similar that we can improve that. Next we can going to discuss about the flow diagram of your product. This is an entire prototype model of the flow diagram. First this is an DC input. We can different types of DC input we can using that because of this an only if we are given the DC power, battery or solar power, then we can pass to the this entire blocks, and for three level full bridge DC to DC converter. This is some transformation using that these steps because of some improvement of self balance of capacitor banks and the different switches also, and diode clamp DC with the DC to AC converter. This is for 8 switch and 4 diodes clamped switches. So we can combine this is processed to the diode rectifier, and another thing, this intermediate sections is on line, this line is some connection for from transformer we can using that, or we can using this ideal transformer. So some no losses for this transformer lines, so then we can pass to the diode rectifier. The diode rectifier we can pass to for AC to DC, so we can convert to the again DC. So these two blocks we can process for the DC to AC, again AC to DC. So this is specifically this mention this block for the 3-level full bridge converter of DC to DC converter. Then we can pass to the load. We can different types of load we can using that resistive load, inductive load, or RC load or RLC load, different combination of loads. But we can specifically using that resistive load we can using that. And another thing we can the intermediate sections of these two entire blocks are using for the these and diode rectifier, no switching impulse are given that, but forward region and reverse region of diodes are 0.8 or breakdown regions also as per for diode properties. And then we can pass in the switching pulses. The switching pulses characteristics are very important to of these flyback converters also, flyback capacitance. The switching pulses and the control for the entire 8 switches. The 8 switches we can control for 3 levels, and maximum of high power application we can getting to the power because of this pulse modulation, to control of the switches. So this is an one of the important step of this pulse width modulation. So this is our entire prototype model of this is. Next we can going to discuss about the running procedure of our product. The proposed system implementation done in MATLAB version 2013A. First open the MATLAB window and create a new model file, and creating elements as per the circuit diagram of the product, and our base paper also. Then the corresponding slopes are connected in the circuit diagram. The MATLAB version 2013 is not a problem. This is above version also using that, no issues we can implement it for this updated versions also. Next we can see about the MATLAB modeling of this prototype modeling. This is our entire prototype modeling. This is our DC port, and another thing, this is our resistive load. The intermediate sections for this uh, this is a 3 level switch DC to DC converter. For some transformation is and transformer we can using that, and a flyback converter also using these specific blocks. So flyback capacitance, then we can show the scope results for that entire process. This is for our this our DC input. We can send the constant DC input for 240 volt, we can given that. And the next we can see for this corresponding scope blocks using the from two functions. uh, this is for VCN. Because of this is on playback converter voltage, we can using for specifically we can using the zoom axis button and click that specific blocks, we can getting that result. This is on V in 2 and V in 1 is a gradually decreased of 120, and this gradually increase of V2 VDC2 for. And the next this is for our switching voltage and switching current. We this is for a different combination of waves for voltage and current. So this current was on very low, because of this voltage and very high, and this is some different corruptions of waves because of our switching pulse is based to this voltage is on and off on different variations, we can getting the results. So this is no issues when can getting the results. Next this is for our main part of this role, this one switching pulse. We can using PWM pulses. This is a triangular carry, and this is our sine wave for entirely amplitude variation of 5, and this is our switching pulse regarding different duty cycle and amplitude. Amplitude also same, but different duty cycle ranges. We can see, you can see the specific this block we can very tiny, and it's a little bit big and a little bit big, and another is too big, and is then gradually increase the duty cycle ratio and decreased. So this is randomly getting that process. Next this is for switching pulses. This switching pulses using for x-axis zoom, and we can getting that x-axis zoom results. We can getting the this zoom in results. Firstly we can see the switch 1. The switch 1 is on automatically on, this on, and as we can see the switch 2 is on or off. This is randomly on and off is on getting that. So we can again to the this stage 3 and S4 also. We can using the 8 switches. By this scope is on using for the only 4 switches, and I will open the another 4 switches result. These are similar to us, but we can different duty cycle ratios, so we can getting this result type, this type of results. Entirely we can getting this prototype modeling of the high voltage and high power applications of this entire prototype modeling. So our simulator as MATLAB version 2013A. So these are completely executed simulations, and thanks for watching.